Opening with a humorous question, why did the car apply for a job? Because it wanted to quit being a gas guzzler and start earning its own fuel. Welcome everyone to another episode of Auto Antics. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of car diagnosis. Ever tried to understand the cryptic signals your car gives? Oh, it's not learning Morse code, but it's close enough. Today, you'll discover the magic of scan tools and how they help us decode the language of our vehicles. Just imagine you're a car whisperer, someone who can talk to cars and understand their problems. Like a modern-day Dr. Dolittle. But instead of talking to animals, you're communicating with a 2-ton hunk of metal, rubber, and plastic. Now imagine your car is behaving a bit off lately. It's not accelerating smoothly, it's stalling, or perhaps it's drinking fuel like a thirsty camel. What's the problem? Here's where our trusty scan tool comes in. Think of a scan tool as a translator between you and your car. It's like Google Translate, but instead of translating languages, it translates car problems. But before we dive in, take a moment to guess what might be wrong with our imaginary car. Is it the fuel system, or perhaps the ignition system, or maybe it's just throwing a tantrum because you didn't play its favorite radio station? Alright, let's unravel the mystery. When you plug in a scan tool, it reads the car's computer system. It's like a doctor checking your vitals. The scan tool then spits out a code which we can look up in a database to understand the problem. Now back to our imaginary car. If the scan tool spits out a code saying P0171, it means the car is running too lean. In layman's terms, it's not getting enough fuel. So, our imaginary car was not throwing a tantrum after all. It was actually feeling hungry. Diagnosing a car problem is like being a detective. It's all about finding clues and connecting the dots. And with a scan tool, we have a trusty sidekick that helps us solve the mystery. In conclusion, remember that your car is like a pet. It can't speak our language, but it communicates through signs and signals. And with a scan tool, we can understand these signals and keep our cars happy and healthy. And remember, if your car starts acting up, don't panic. Maybe it just wants to listen to its favorite radio station. Or maybe, just maybe, it's trying to apply for a job to stop being a gas guzzler. Thank you for tuning in to Auto Antics. Until next time, keep your engines revving and your spirits high. Drive safe, everyone. That's all for today, folks. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and leave us a comment. Your feedback helps us create more content that you love. Remember, we're not just about teaching you about cars, we're about creating a community of car enthusiasts who learn and laugh together. Every comment, like, and share brings us closer to achieving that goal. So keep the conversation going. Share your car stories, your favorite car jokes, or even a picture of your beloved four-wheeled companion. Drive safe and stay tuned for more Auto Antics.